Is that the chicken that lays the golden egg?
There's two chickens there. That chicken looks at me. Oh.
I can't wait to see how the Evil Within plays out tomorrow. Like, yeah, how the stealth mechanic is going to work, because you can't really be stealthy in this game.
No, this isn't it. She just got water already. I'm on to you, lady. What are you doing?
She brings it into the barn, I think, or she puts in the trough thing for the cows.
Yeah, but there's already a trough over there that she's getting the water from to put over there. What the?
Can't understand these crazy European villages. Charge in like Rambo and start mowing them down.
Shouldn't I go the back way?
Either way, they're gonna find you.
True that, but I'm saying that sent more chance if I go this way.
No.
No? I don't?
No, they're gonna find you either way, so you have to kill them all. Don't think that thing's picking you up.
I'm whispering because it's quiet.
Jesus.
I'm trying to be sneaky.
You are not Solid Snake, baby.
No, I'm Leon S. Kennedy.
Oh, good God. I don't know what that's bad.
Oh, fuck.
Busted.
I didn't even do nothing!
Kick him.
Boom!
Yeah.
Give it a dick.
Oh, he got Dix's steel or something. Oh, look out. Pitchfork.
Pitchfork bitch! Ooh, red heart. Thank you. Ah! Big saying shit about me.
I wish I understood Spanish.
Oh, well, thank you, cheapskates, for giving me a fucking box to break and not putting anything
It's a
in
village in the middle of no... Okay, well, that's stupid, because, like, you find, like, rare treasures in this place half the time.
Ah!
Run up to him. Yeah!
Okay. I hate this part.
It's your favorite part.
No, it's really not, sorry. I'm not doing this shit.
Oh, come on. It's just a chainsaw.
What are they planning? Chainsaw.
Alright, let's see. Okay, that's there. Push, push, Lady Lightning! That's done.
The shotgun's upstairs, right?
Yep. Ah, there's something useful right there. Don't tell me there's nothing useful, you bastards.
Okay.
Shogun. Hi, peeps! Oh! Oh! That's bullshit! Oh! I'm calling bullshit.
Holy fuck, he got up that ladder really quick.
This way, there's no surprises.
Yeah. What the fuck?
He was so far over!
He's still alive though.
Oh, yeah.
That fall didn't kill him.
Oh! Everybody was kung fu fighting. Yeah! Oh shit! He's back. Here! Everybody be throwing stuff. Hi, happy cow! I have a plan. Works for me.
You can find the chainsaw still going though.
Nope, nope, nope. Oh shit. Ah, this thing's glitching. Ah!
Jesus.
I didn't want to use this already. But you leave me no choice!
Bullshit.
Yeah! Reinforcements! I'm boned. Damn it, like nothing's killing me. Like I'm not getting shit for killing these people. Yeah! God damn. Yeah! Ah! Fuck you! Cock! Shit balls! Yeah!
Oh, damn.
I swear to God, I'm not doing this on purpose.
Oh, shit. Oh, this is bullshit.
We'll be okay. I think this thing will stop fucking glitching me. What the hell got me? Yeah, I think they threw something at me.
The chainsaw got you, we'll be walking.
Oh god. Uh-oh.
There's nothing kills him.
Well, to be fair, this is a pretty weak gun at the moment.
Yeah, but like you unload pretty much every fucking weapon you have and you still walks.
I have a plan. Right. Mine. Mine.
Also mine.
I'm out of ammo. Ah! Come on, give me stuff. Get! Oh! What is it? Oh god damn it! I forgot. It's different in the mercenaries.
There's no window there.
Oh god.
You can get in that house and hide in the back window.
Yeah. Oh! I'm off the ground! You saw a chicken leap into the air. You can tell if that fence was like stuck in her vagina or.
Probably.
Not today, lady.
Sweet.
Yeah!
Oh, finally.
Oh, la campana. Es hora de rezar. Tenemos que irnos.
I don't speak Spanish, so that's the closest I get.
Yeah, and that was a French song.
Lord Sattler.
That guy can eat a dick.
Well, you put one through somebody's chest. Oh, by the way, spoilers for
Where's
anyone
everyone
who hasn't played the
going?
game yet.
Bingo?
Bingo? Resident Evil.
Even though it looked like Resident Evil.
Peasant.
Hunnigan, I have some bad news.
Yeah. The guy that was not of any importance is dead. Alright, here you go.
Yay!
Chainsaw moment is over. I am awesome.
Get the chainsaw, bitches.
Oh, that'll be fun.
Let's listen to me screaming. It's locked and wide open. And don't find a symbol on the door.
Yeah, don't you have to go all the way up to the top left?
Oh, to the tower?
No, not there. No. Like, top left. No, turn on.
Okay.
Go straight. And take a left up that little hill right there.
Oh.
I think that was where you had to go.
Oh, wait. Whoa. No, it's not. There's buffers.
Oh, goddamn flash grenade. That would have been handy.
Well, shit. It won't open. It must be far from the other side.
Oh, then you have to go all... Oh, yeah, that's right. All the way up there to the left. I didn't think you could go up that way.
This way.
No, right. Straight. No, left. Straight. There you go.
Do you know I was going the right freaking way in the first place?
Yeah, well, you listen to me. So that's your problem.
Screw you.
Nah.
Oh. Yeesh, I hate this.
Oh, yeah, this is like where you gotta find those medallions.
Oh.
Poopy.
Ah, shit. Got that Farmatard over there. What?
Farmer Todd.
Yeah.
He's Spanish. It's probably Farmer Manuel.
Manuel was the name of the Puerto Rican guy.
Look up. No.
Yeah, I know!
Kick him! Kick a bitch! Yeah! Go up in that barn. Went up. No! Don't! No!
I remembered.
Oh, in the face!
Fuck you.
Yeah! That's splatter.
Motherfuckers. Wrong barn. You should have been dead way before now.
I should have went up there.
Oh yeah, I remember now. Okay.
Aim for that. No, while you got chicks. Yeah!
Die. Okay.
Alright, now you shoot that. No. Yeah.
I know.
I accidentally did that the wrong way one time. But I think it was like the first time I played through it.
Yes, same.
Look at all the maggots. Ugh.
Mmm. Delicious.
The cows are infected. Actually, they're really not. No! If you knife them, they get... Why would you do that? No! Don't! That one will die.
Oh, ow! Alright, fuck you!
There's another one. There's another...
Oh, jeez!
There's another medallion to the left.
Sorry!
He friggin' like just jammed his horn right into your gut. You deserve it.
Hi, doggy.
Stinking pool of manure.
You're lying.
Nice! And then go out. Go to your left. Look up. Left. There you go.
Doggy. Okay.
Alright, no, go left.
Oh,
That's just hay, that's not
you lie.
anyway.
Lie!
Look up at the thing. Yeah. A little lower. Oh, you didn't have to turn it red, you got it without it going red. Nice.
Yep, I'm cool.
Hi, chicken.
Yeah, kid.
Yeah, go. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Money.
Money can be made.
Woohoo! Spinel. I think the last time I was playing through. What the? Oh, you're boned. Oh, wait, no, there's ammo up on the. There's ammo for the handgun up top, I believe.
Yep, but for now I got a shotgun. Oh, damn, yes.